So here's a quick overview how to find Brand Connect on YouTube Studio mobile app. So yep, it's also on YouTube Studio mobile app. So this is a new feature. I think YouTube gave me access to it a bit earlier than a lot of creators. I don't know why, but I was just kind of part of this beta program for Brand Connect. And the idea behind it is really, really smart, really amazing. However, it doesn't really that work well for me, but like if you just go to Earn tab on YouTube Studio app, so this is not YouTube mobile app, this is YouTube Studio. This is a separate app, as you probably know, so I'll just show you. So I'm talking about this app, YouTube Studio. So that one, not YouTube. And then here in Earn tab, there is a new tab called Brand Connect. That's how you can earn some additional revenue. So it's not possible to set up Brand Connect from mobile. You need to set up your Brand Connect from your desktop browser. From like your YouTube Studio on a desktop. But then you can just browse the offers from your YouTube Studio mobile app. And then if you enabled it and signed the agreement on the desktop, then you will see it here. Then you will be able to manage campaigns. And here, you can see if you have any offers. Hang tight while we find the right brands for your unique channel. And then you can see some overview. What is Brand Connect? Brand Connect is a new one-stop shop where top brands can reach out to you directly in YouTube Studio to collaborate on their upcoming campaigns. How does it work? Brands are able to reach their target audience by working with creators like you on marketing campaigns. We look at your subscriber count, content type, your demographics to match you with relevant brands that resonate with your audience. Once you get an offer in YouTube Studio, the choice is yours to show interest and negotiate a deal. So yeah, basically, I think it's a really cool idea. So, if you have a big channel, let's say you have 1 million subscribers, and, you have few types of revenue. You have revenue